Welcome to Signature Auto Styling. In today's video, we're walking you through the installation process of our premium infotainment screen protector, designed to fit a wide range of vehicles. This explosion-proof, scratch-resistant HD screen protector is the perfect upgrade to enhance the protection and durability of your in-car display. With its advanced oleophobic coating, your screen will stay crystal clear and smudge-free no matter where the road takes you. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you need for a flawless installation. 1 screen protector, custom suited for your vehicle's make and model, which can be available for purchase on our website. 3 guide stickers for precise placement and easy handling. 1 application squeegee to ensure a smooth, bubble-free application. 1 wet wipe for thorough screen cleaning. 1 dust absorber to capture fine particles for a pristine finish. And 1 silk cloth for a final polish and crystal clear result. With everything ready to go, let's jump into the preparation and installation process. We hope you enjoy this step-by-step guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY upgrades. Step 1. Clean the screen surface. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the screen and its surrounding area using a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. This removes fingerprints, dust, and oils for a pristine surface. Note: for stubborn dirt or grime, use a mild multi-purpose cleaner first, then follow up with the microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to ensure a spotless finish. Step 2. Inspect and position the screen protector. Carefully remove the screen protector from its packaging. Locate either the blue or red tag, which indicates the adhesive side, or the back that will adhere to your screen. Before removing the adhesive backing, hold the protector up to the screen to check alignment and ensure a perfect fit. Step 3. Place 2 guide stickers on the top third of the screen protector's front, which is the non-adhesive side, 1 on each edge. Press them firmly into place. These stickers will help you hold and position the screen protector once the adhesive backing is removed. Step 4. Remove dust particles. Use the provided dust absorber to capture any fine particles on the screen. This step is crucial for a bubble-free application. Tip: working in a dust-free, well-lit area minimizes the risk of contaminants settling on the screen during the installation. Step 5. Apply the screen protector. Peel off the adhesive backing to reveal the sticky side of the screen protector. Using the guide stickers, hold the protector steady and angle the bottom edge to align with your screen. Carefully lower the protector onto the surface, allowing it to self-adhere. Use the included applicator squeegee to apply gentle but firm pressure from the center outward, smoothing the protector into place. If small air bubbles appear along the edges, gently massage them out with your finger using firm pressure. If you need to lift the screen protector for a stubborn air bubble, please do so gently from one corner. Too much flex may crack the screen protector. Once all these steps have been completed, congratulations! Your vehicle screen protector is now installed, offering premium protection and a crystal clear display.